You guys, this is Fun Automotive, and in this video I'm going to be painting the wheels. Now I didn't show you guys much of the wheels, but these were all nice finished powder coated gloss black. They're really nice looking actually, but I didn't want that dark color on my Jeep. Whenever I get rid of this and get the WJ, I didn't want a dark black wheel. It just doesn't get me. So I painted these nice metallic silver, and they actually came out quite well. I used 2K and got the clear coat finish over all of it and made them look actually a lot shinier than what they actually were with just the regular paint. Now let me show you the paint now. It's a dark steel metallic is what the paint is called, Rust-Oleum. This one I'm not done yet, just done a first coat, and this is what they look like. This is after sanding. It's pretty good. Tried to get a thorough sanding on it so this paint won't peel off on me in the future, because that wouldn't be good at all. But it's looking pretty good, I'd say. Alright, this is the paint right here. This is dark steel, metallic. Let me show you. Dark steel, metallic. That's what it came out to be, and this is what it finished. The finish looks like. It's pretty metallic. Can't really. Yeah, right there. See that line? That's a sanding line. I didn't do thick enough coat right there, or I used a little bit too thick of too gritty of sandpaper, but. That's it right there. Pretty nice. And then the 2K that I actually used is right here. 2K Max Clear Coat. You have to pop the bottom. I use this over the wheels to make sure they get a good, nice, reliable coverage of clear coat so that the paint will not chip in the future. That easy, or fade I should say, because I did sand the hell out of them. They're all sanded. The paint should hold on just fine over the years, but I did 2K the hell out of them, so they should hold up just fine. Happy for that. I wonder how these mods would actually look on the Liberty. Not sure. It'd probably look good. I really like the whole wheels though. I really do. I do like those Holy wheels. These ones are obviously aluminum. Obviously, as you guys may know or not, the mods are steel. These are all steel. And durable, more durable of course, but the bad part is they're a bit heavier than the alloys, the aluminums. So that's one benefit or disadvantage of having a steel. But I think the steel's nice. These things will last forever unless I dent the living crap out of them. But I am happy with them. I'll show you a picture right now of what it looks like with the center cap inside of it while it's painted. Alright, here's the finished product. See the nice shine? That's the 2K that I just sprayed on top of this. It can be buffed out, but I'm happy with that glare. The paint was shine, had a little bit of shine to it, but not that much. This has a good amount of glare to it now. Nice good shine. These are the mods, D-mods. 17 by 8. I wanted skinny so I get a fat bubbly sidewall around the 37s whenever I put the 37s on the WJ. Some people may think that these are better than the whole wheels that I've got on the Liberty. I'm not sure, but I don't mind that at all. Yeah, you could see my glare, kind of my arm moving. You weren't able to see any of that before, just after the paint. So this 2K, I'm happy with it. I am happy with it. Very nice looking paint too, to be honest. It's got a nice good flake in it. Nice metallic. You'll be seeing a lot of these once they're on the WJ. Very nice. They come with the center caps. I'm happy that these are steel center caps. Listen. These are steel. So I'm happy because on the Liberty, they were actually plastic. And I didn't like that. These are solid steel, which I think are a lot better than plastic. That's for sure. But alright, you guys, I'm happy that you guys watched my video. I hope that this gave you some inspiration to go out there and get some nice wheels, paint them, and do whatever you may like, whatever color, and 2K them or not 2K them. It's all up to you. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As you know, this is Fun on Automotive, and I will catch you later. Goodbye.